Hello guys, welcome to Byte. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can spin up two cloud VMs on Oracle free for lifetime. Okay, so you heard it right, it is free for lifetime. And before starting, I'd like to share one information that you would require a credit card though, and Oracle would charge around 2 to 3 rupees from the credit card, but it would return it immediately. Okay, and I'll also show you a trick to avoid charges on your credit card in case you by mistake like used extra resources and Oracle starts charging you. So I have a trick for that, using which you can simply block your credit card for those excess charges. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. So let's get to my computer, but before that, the intro first. So here we are on my desktop and I have opened Edge over here. So here we'll go to Oracle Cloud. Okay, so type Oracle Cloud on the Edge search box and hit enter. So here on the first website we can see the cloud free tier Oracle India. Okay, so select that and click on start for free. Before clicking on that, we can see that we are getting 300 USDs in free credits for 30-day free trial, but we are not going to use this over here in this video. And we are going to use this always free cloud service, so you can read all the conditions. And here we can see that we in fact have two Oracle autonomous databases, okay, two compute engines as well. Okay, so now here we have to fill our account information. Okay, so you have to fill yours. I'm blurring them for my privacy. Okay, once you fill that information, you have to click on the captcha and complete it to prove that you are not in fact a robot. Once that is done, you have to click on verify email, and that would send a verification link to your mailbox. You have to simply open your mailbox and click on that verification link. Now here we have to set the password, and here you have to set the cloud account name as well. And you need to keep in mind that you need to note down that cloud account name, as it would be required later for login purposes, and yes, the password as well. So in order to log into the Oracle Cloud VM, we will need our cloud account name and the password. Then we can click on continue, and then we need to enter some more information, and then click on continue. And here we need to enter a payment verification method. Okay, and as it is given, you won't be charged unless you elect to operate this account. So nothing would be charged apart from around 3 rupees that would be returned in a couple of days back to your credit card. So add a payment verification method, and here select credit card. So here you will have to put your card details in order to proceed further. So once that is done, click on finish. And as you can see over here that my credit card has been declined. This is because in my credit card I have not turned on the international transactions. So you need to keep in mind that international transactions must be turned on before you proceed with this. Okay, else you will have to type everything again. Okay, so now you can see that once I turned on my international transactions, I am unable to add my credit card over here. Now check on the agreement and click on start my free trial. This would take a couple of minutes to set up everything in the account. So we need to wait until 10. I am fast forwarding this video from here. So here we are on the Oracle's page and everything has been set up for us. So since I am located in India, I am using Oracle India over here. You can use your Oracle website which is closest to your region. So now we need to sign into Oracle Cloud. here you have to enter your cloud account name and then click on next. Now this will ask for your username or email and password. So I'm using my email over here and the password. So here there are some questions which you can skip, and note one thing over here that we are going to use only those things in this Oracle Cloud VM on which we can see that always free eligible badge is there. Okay, so all the tiles which has that always free eligible badge, we are going to use only those and not the others. Okay, and to be on a safe side, we can also, once this is done, after a couple of days you'll get your 3 rupees back, and after that you can simply block your international transactions on the credit card once again. So what would happen that even if by mistake you click on something else and use it, you won't be instantly charged from your credit card. So you will know beforehand that it has been that you have used some paid services, and then you can be warned beforehand before the amount is simply deducted from your credit card. Okay. So if you watch this video till here, then it simply means that this video might have helped you in some way or the other. So please like this video, and it would be great if you could subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Do like this video and consider sharing it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more useful content